Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. We're in Forks, Washington. We just woke up and I got ready, so I'm taking Gatsby out for a little party right now. And then we're gonna get going on seeing all of Olympic National Park and seeing some things from Twilight. Definitely not the houses because those are in Oregon. But we're gonna go to La Push, we're gonna go to the whole rainforest. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to go back in and get Charlize and then we're gonna head out. Coffee run. We're in the whole rainforest.
Because we're hoes.
I think that's how it's pronounced. H-O-H. Sounds like ho. My beanie keeps falling. But here, let me show you. I'm gonna show you around. We're gonna walk around and do our thing. From Arizona, but I'm pale because I don't like the sun. Look at the water. That's a big current right there. Don't fall in. Charlize found some bear prints, maybe. If it's not a bear, let us know. Hey, Puching. Out the way, bitch. We're going to an adventure store. Wow!
Is that what you try to kill yourself?
We have made it to La Push. And we're gonna go to River's Edge restaurant for lunch. And yeah, and then we'll explore. Wow.
It is Kansas. But Kansas Island.
James Island? Little James Island. Bella, there's stories about those Cullens that run in our tribe. Don't go near them. We're back in our hotel room. Oh, I didn't show you our hotel room. Hi, Charlize. Yes, it's very cute. But yeah, we're staying at Forks Motel if you guys want to stay here. We're just gonna chill out. I'll probably update you, like, put a little more clips, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow for, like, we're gonna drive through Olympic National Park again to go meet up with my cousin. So see you. Eating now. I have been editing photos and editing my vlog right here that will be up Go check it out. It's my What I Packed for Europe vlog. And yeah, so we've been just relaxing. Shirley's made this. It's really good. Gatsby's sleeping. Shirley's is doing work. And we're going to probably watch a movie after we shower. So I'll update you on what movie we watch.
Oh, he woke up. Oh.
Let me show you my whistle now. Day 2 of the Olympic National Park trip, and we're at Crescent Lake. Twilight.
So Twilight.
This is the skin of a killer, Bella. Excuse me, sir. Where are you going? Sir? Smile. Stay a line. Let it go, Angela. We're looking into the sun. I haven't seen the sun this entire trip. We are stopping in Port Angeles because we are a little ahead of the schedule, and we're gonna go walk along the pier. So we're getting lunch now with my family, so I'll show you our food and then we'll hit the road again, and I'll show you guys. I think we're going to watch Twilight and go to bed. So I'm gonna end this vlog here and start the new one for the North Cascades National Park. So make sure you subscribe down below and check out my other vlogs as well. I have so many. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Dying in the place of someone I love seems like a good way to go.
And it's so great to go. That was the first night I dreamt of Edward Cullen.
The Cullens don't come here.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.